everybody, you are currently bounced on my laptop if you couldn't already tell. But I just wanted to like do a little intro here because I literally, my intro for this was kind of shocking. I thought that I would do a sew with me because last week I did a paint with me and you seemed to really enjoy it and people were saying that it was really relaxing for them and I really liked that. So I was going to do a sew with me because I sew all the time. If you didn't know, it's something I really like to do. I like to make my own clothes. I bought the fabric that I'm about to show you and I wanted to make a corset top, so that's exactly what I did. Hope you enjoy! This was the initial inspo. This is what kind of made me want to make a corset. And I had this inspo before I saw the material. And I saw the material and I was like, my goodness, this is literally perfect for the job. So the corset is kind of the, I feel like green is a very summery colour. I don't really know how this is going to work because, look, right, this is the pattern. It's kind of one size already. I should probably watch the video, but if I'm honest with you, I really hate instructions and hate being told what to do, so I like to make it up as I go along. Oh, so you place that on the fold. Is this even going to fit me? Yeah. Potentially. And then what's this bit? Kind of like an armpit bit. You know what? I think that might actually fit me. Maybe I should just leave it like this. Let's cut it out, pin it together and see what we think. I've been laughing to myself at this angle for a little bit. I'm kind of pressed for time a little bit because you almost want like literally as much time as possible because you don't want to be rushing your towel. Cut these elbows out. Yeah, because I've got driving lesson later. I always have one on a Wednesday. Well, not always. I've had them on a Wednesday for a couple of weeks. Do you know how hard it is to get a driving test? You've probably heard, even if you're not learning to drive, but I've got one, but it's for November. I think you can move it forwards, but it's going to take some effort to find a cancellation. Let me know if you're learning to drive too. That can be something that we can bond over. I don't know what this bit is for. Oh, it's the strap. It's the strap. Might fit me, you know. Imagine the luck if this fits me. Do you mind, dog? I will definitely get back to making some fashion videos at some point, but for now, well, for this couple of weeks where I didn't have anything prepared in advance, I've like really genuinely enjoyed filming this sort of video. Yeah, so I thought I'd sit out in the garden for a bit of like added peace. I've been doing an essay on romanticism and my brain is only working on that, and the trees in the sky is giving me romanticism vibes. Oh. It's not every day your video is interrupted by pigeons getting freaky. So I've like kind of pinned it to myself so I could see if it would fit me or not, and I think it might. There are several things in this project that I literally have forgot, so probably won't be able to finish it today. But this pattern literally looks like it's going to fit me. Do you know what's on tonight? This Great British Sewing Bee. If you live in the UK, I don't know if you can get it abroad, but that is something I would recommend to watch to get you in the sewing bug. That's I don't know if that makes sense. I've got my pieces, my pattern pieces there. I'm going to just line them out on the fabric, I think. I'm going to try and use it as little as possible. Here are the pieces. I've finished cutting them out. I definitely cut this out a bit wonky, but it's fine, it's the strap. I've added extra fabric for each one and seam allowance just in case it doesn't fit me, because that would be really sad if I got through it and it still didn't fit me. I need to watch the video to see what's next, but I am actually obsessed with this and I haven't even started yet. I did think about pattern matching, but do you know how long that's going to take me? So I'm not going to bother. This is for the lining. It's literally an old bed sheet, which is kind of gross. It's been washed a lot, so it doesn't matter so much, but I need to cut out exactly the same pieces from this for the lining of the top. Okay. I genuinely don't know what I'm going to wear tomorrow. I think I said like last time. Oh my god, is it warm. I went out on Friday and I actually got a bit of a tan. I don't know if you've seen it, but I made a TikTok where I made like a bandeau top using shirring, which is basically like where you use elastic to make the top suck in. That was a really bad explanation, but that's basically essentially it. And I want to do that with white material because I just really want a white one. Stay down. Oh, I forgot to add seam allowance. I am an idiot. It's fine. Stranger Things. I've started watching it. Right. Well, I say started. I'm now on season 4, episode 2. Season 4. I'm not going to say any spoilers. Don't worry. Season 4. My God, is a step up from the other ones. Literally hiding behind a pillow last night. None of my family like it because they find it too scary. So I watch it by myself in the dark. Right, I'm gonna balance you here for a second. I have pinned in place, so it's like this now. God, I know, it's literally like my Pinterest dreams in one top. So it's kind of looking something like this now, and I'm gonna stitch along here and here. So I'm now sewing the lining. I've pinned. Then we've got the sides on. I'm gonna go round like that. Do up at the back with the straps. So pretty. Literally, what on earth? Might be the prettiest thing I've ever made. You'll be pleased to know I've finished the lining. It is quite thin, so you can see the seams through it, but it will do the job. And I've also finished stitching together the top, which I've ironed now. I always find when you iron it and the seams just lie so flat that it's the most satisfying thing ever. So the next thing I need to do is I need to sew these two together like a sandwich. So we have our green piece, which I'm going to lie out facing upwards. Then we have the white piece, which I'm going to face downwards, so it's like wrong sides together. There we go. Praying that it's kind of the same as the bottom one. Now I'm going to pin them together so that they sit exactly. I just shut my finger in the tripod. Oh, I didn't cut that seam. Oh my God, oh my dear God. I'm back inside now because my driving lesson is very soon and I need to get ready for it. But I just wanted to show you how far I've got. So I've basically stitched this side together, that strap, and I've got halfway up this strap. So I'm going to finish this off and then flip it inside out. There's obviously a lot more to do for this top. Look out for it on my TikTok and things like that because it will be on there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Let me know what you want to see. Thank you to everyone who did tell me what you want to see last time, and as you can see, I follow your suggestions, so make sure you let me know. Love you all. Bye.